Mala karun wang chai nyor kadung dit media ke changa joko pai wal karun kini dang rawu di jandang rawu di diech. An mak bangut gok. Bayan nong lar di lanong yani chang kadung dit media katin tuwa ke Junub Sudan kena wimon do dien. Dung dit media magwal yang katung nuara. Mana ya lar ko yani lidia lilang ane tin lagwar kene kadung dit media. Bichiran jo malajak. Kwe share ke kwe like. Wija wo share ka be like bane wan kan tilang tung nuar na baga jagak bar tiri ka ben media me be kam nyal bala gwaleng mu gwa ne kon tung din media la re ko la no yak bar che ka tuk la tin ji to ko Junub Sudan kan changamo la nong ne ya analysis ka tin charo de lat kan tin baro de lat ka Junub Sudan ka kor ni ni la nong ne ya ben ni ka tin ji to ko re joga re wi ka Junub Sudan ka la nong ne par pal store ni ti rai ka kuin na kui kori, kui kumini, kui wini to kien. Ko na lar ne ko kon di alban tidan martin ko bala gwaleng mugwa kene kon leng tungnat. En wala ka changa diok ka pai wal. Tin baga nung ye ka dung dit media bi kala ti chek chek. Min jago bi kala ti chek chek o ka Junub Sudan ka gwaron wangandan telo internet je ka information ni ti charlat ka country. Manong fel internet na mo che connect lugu na na wo Junub Sudan malar ge jube ku rew ma char kane dang baro te chaga kioske so no no ina bag no worun ke changa bakel ke chang lo ga wale te lo internet te lenke te dije gala information ne gren to re we ke Junub lar ne ko ken ku jimo lar ko buga lar chek chek ko gwa internet beno baro la update ke tin dia le jaro din lat ke changa walo la rande ko lar ko kudde ko de wo ko lat ke je ko tuklu ko len ke ko cha kap kunin ko kien cha kap ne ke changa wol kel kan pai wolme bunu wo ke changa wolme ke na nyur kata na ne chalat so bana detail ke ndial ke to kien bana kulleng ler no walle ko gwa ci joy ke internet men ba ko jo de walle la topic la subject ke riede mbaka ra jode men tuwo ko Jonglei state Lincoln ne ka kornin diri take a security problem that security problem just escalate se tuwo re akbor te group mumagang group chiro pom group mi shwala red bell arodian shwala red bell. So that group jan barbajo de wala mala topic of today ko red bell mo ngane ken ka peng minindi ko objective dia na dingu ka taw ni tamme this time meta kone what are they doing mulel kenam so to ro ken dia ala kone den rajo dien which is analysis of the revolution latke it wo grey bor red bell chetagin sindene yalat la tuoga aron bur ke tuong ni ko mun mi cha locate medan mi wade kam nan bur ni de kon chuma bur ni changa Jonglei state ta lo tin ta ga wor tin ta jiban jak tin la lak ka ta bar tin ta ro ko ne dia bur ta mi tel mun ta la kwat cheng ne bur pin ga gwa chiang a bur. So ke first time chi governor dial de let ke Jonglei state ke kor malan me rana on ko ne be munamo be on be claim de kam ID fees de kam ne content to nanding ka tin tere bor de ke changtin like any citizen of the state himata bor ko mon rak so chun group mo me chali red bell kiro da pom milar ya ganga mun bor ke kumuni te chol kan ke kumuni nuor te tere bor so group mo yode thin invisible je jojo go ke ko run dang die je ti te kon re malati mi je to ko de mun mo de gwa shop ko de label ke de survey ke de allocate de distribute to ne the content lot mun mo ke Buga Ben as a threat, a security threat ba kor ba ba to ken angwa mo malat ko mun matin so jwe to ko ko nei di charo den po ma za gang group di gang mun bor ka nan bor yene de kon yene kwen ko ko jong le state wa la pen mun bor ken so group mo should the thing that was the main objective ko po mo je red bell me chi ko audience po mo chela bit large number today chụp ka kwor ko chi ngwan long de kwor chụp so ano chu lo te kon te la jere lo chu ko bete ke mission ni la wore murle bi ge yen re lo bi ben re bor wano men yen ma kan gang group to chara pom to chara ko lo chon red bela wala to ba ba je ken bi ge yen kel go lo ba red ne ba ga nang re murle so chu she gu mi organize mi chol bore one ne ta ka long ye ta nen ko na malat ge je ken ka social media ne o ka ngana bor again so che gro manu ken ni ti to kon tin ni shuri ne ben yal kan ta ya ne ne ko ko ne ja organize te ne ge bi ni ta ko uniform an wo ta ge uniform ko objective dien che yen ko ne ne chimune dan ne ya pen ken cha pen ja long tam ji ge yen ko dung mon cha ngo go ne bargazali la jang la bargazali de kon de bor la business communities to nyin bargazal ka ken de kon la target gen tam na ka ke ta ga slogan malar je wo ji bor ji koril tin kon jang mun no ji bargazal kan bor ji gril to bargazal bi lo dorien to bor bi do dorien so en question ko ne dor ken kan bor hel ta ga redien aguluno ba ko ga an sar ken ko up to now ta kon ga large number of bor jaga bargazal ka wegrial so we know all these things no more come there no which mean objective there ne won today ta ga re kor nak bargazal re bor bar kulu ben go ne the former la cha ba use kan ndam kan organization that we are seeing today unlike the time dan ya ko lad medan ku medan me tokoro ala local ye ka malisha ni ching tiga ngana mun bor so imi jo be stay go ne ka changa dan me chika na wona ko incident the last incident e wo chi na wo kuira yi bar ga zal chi ben kuira bor me chi ben kuira mo dien lo dien jok ajan gwa to incident mo tin chu ko nanak re group bar ga zal te kon te jiben so me ana na ken shu national security around bor you organize la order wa there go a friend it ke there issue mo there wa settle so pause la national security wa ambu jigen on the way pa ne dang wani wa nak so you at the beginning of one ne ga ne ti a pause me na ra kon ga so we see them to ong no go man pan she leadership of national security services ka jube ti ta general ta ga tin plus group ni de ni ken ti cha nang kan ja nang bor to deal with that issue so bana kulu go ni capacity den to this stage ngu mulanga ken aba nen kon bor more explanation ka social media lat ken e wona ne position of red bell janen we know complain ka ne ti kon tin tin te issues ni ngai kon bor go so now ka ta lat ken je kwa security de kwa undermine ken lat ken go ide and wona ne a group mo terror mo anti government non state actor bukula take policy mita again policy of the government the issue of land war ku ba land distribute ka cha bor ka cha donglei is a government rule they intimidate the issue of one and be other state communities bi chang bor sheta chang ka state ko ken kwa threaten Similar no one at all purely they are terrorists. What a right in the community, what peaceful coexistence among the community pinje. And now what are my Boroboro Telegaria make a lemelet Canadian and Guru Borganga Kenke Kamurli Munmokai. Muruli Shegang Nation of War. You mean Tagare war. It is a gang group. Muruli Shakura Terra gang group. Terra community depend first. Mijay community Jeramano Adaga Maid. Need a quarter than quarter Murlia de Longan. Again, up to now, we are poor about 5 years now. Bore Chigi and Dori can order a jar. I stand on lame Apalakan because of Murli, Jangan we year. But take a long and it Murli, you know, you jog then, chop can like Payam the Ken, Boom and the Ken, Kakon, the Ken, the Apalakan. All the countries Jaga Baket, with exception of Borgorod, Kanakolinang. Corino Kent, I need a tint, Maquaitin, by deep tin. Tadial Lokul, you're all born on the Arab board, Jangan we year, Kukujab. So me go, me boom. And it's a letter which we year. Then I chang up a yam, then I chang a corn, I mean, Kaboom and the kid. So, Ekat. Tell them we're lame, they will long a gang group, Michiano. Now, point go and I will support them. And I call a support. Is a question. Who can they reach to the stage of one and Turkey texture for Bill, Turkey PKM, Turkey uniform. So, take a command. They have commanders. So, Angaku is sponsor within the board. Anga, which won't care like we talk about their objective. Angamukulish won't care like that's why we see them. Come more the Arake, social media, tell Bormde Malara, Woke, condemn Malatkeken. Lulu Bordial. They are supporting this move. Ko land Napengaken, Bugana terrorize board. Ko Jang Bargazal like a quad displaced board, a Kaloika Bargazal. Ko Nandinka leadership, la non-board leadership. She go Kumana the Garaga, Aqua threaten, Bamal Wood. Be comedian Ramo Gujamokan Yang Belonong and all this. So to take a core that we say we take a core Quaka supply in RR, they can make within the national security apparatus in South Sudan. They can make it. So we see them very clear. Lar can have a problem with Kum. Yes, they do not have a problem. Even if take a problem with Kum. Tell a effect. Go check organize, see a big group. Lakin tell a problem with Kume and they deny the policy of the government. Me Kume Laraba and Melan land issue a Jonglei state, Lokan. Loco Dej Bargazali Chang Jonglei state, Bor, Lokan. Loco de Kume of land about the town, they don't want. So men quite a lot of Kanichigata against government. What is it? That does not make sense. Can you concern? Let them do it. Tiji toro kakandin di alden writing about Red Bell. Now, ta taka tinin tama. Agent threat ka Bargazali. Agent threat ka sitting governor. Ni regard. And by the way, security regard. War on time right odana. Chejia. Kwa threat. The Red Bell. They know the guys. Telugu. They check a deny, Miran deny we come. La Gabana, Manme Dr. Majul Oben. So there was a group of security which are organized and Gare. To Temat, to Nuari, to Gangake. The Nagajo an attempt, a core. Now the guy is open. Tell a security report door. As we talk about one in the corner chang door. Tell accommodation Nagbama. Get a volunteer to be chang. Chene de konde ben allow from their deployments. Shikala ally, Shikala da manakin, God manajanakin, kake. They know what is going on. So the guy take a threat board and is the next step, the next target kake. So that we can say when a red bell, even if the effect country wide, it has effect in Jonglei State. And as we have planned them all, Chitana Nagalaneke, interest in here very far from Gangan Moon War. Gangan War, Gangan Moon. She opposed to fight with, she opposed me to go core. And then you would not terrorize a board, you turn down a Bargazana, terrorize Fingan War, Pinagamoon, a board. That is the only thing. No, again, and in summary, Banatin Cornable to a court, turn down in charge, John with a base on the rumors. Thing like Caron one and a Moko, Mayaka Latkijin of Sudan, tello internet, seen morning. Up to Tawa, Metalo internet. Kuno, Terenas Kuno and speculation like Kawaj caught the chart John up to the 11. Changa Walkel, Kapai Wal. So we will be waiting for that. If it is the case, Banalola Rodan yo, man detail in the Alacon and Qua John Venmo, Qua non. So to the Alien Rock and the Cora Jordan Wale, and we call it a day. Thank you.